I'm Anna.
Hi, I'm Billy, and this is Cooking with Anna and Billy. Let's get started! So first we're gonna mix the dry ingredients together. I have a cup and a half of just flour. So we're gonna put that in the big bowl. And then we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2, half a teaspoon of salt. Perfect. So we have 1 cup of milk, and we're gonna mix in half a teaspoon of vanilla, and then we're gonna mix in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then we're gonna mix in 1 egg. And just whisk it all together.
We just added eggs, which contain vitamin D and good source of energy. So now I'm gonna mash 2 bananas. And bananas are rich in vitamin B6 and lowers blood pressure.
So now we're gonna add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, and also add the bananas. Add the dark chocolate chips. We're gonna add half a cup of those. Dark chocolate chips helps prevent type 2 diabetes because they have magnesium in them. They also have iron in dark chocolate, and the copper in it prevents strokes and cardiovascular ailments.
So I just add some oil, and now I'm gonna put it at medium heat. Wait for it to heat up, and add a spoon on the pan and wait for it to get bubbly. So now that bubbles start to form, we're gonna flip it. So wait until it's golden brown, and then it's ready.
Our finished meal, banana chocolate chip pancakes.
Thank you for watching.
Bye!